Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm unboxing an exciting budget-friendly VR headset, the DOODVR, compatible with almost all smartphones. Let's see what's inside the box and whether it's worth it. Here's the box, sleek and minimal design, and it proudly says, "Make in India." Now let's open it up. First, we have the user manual to guide you through setup. Then, there's a cleaning cloth to keep the lenses spotless. And finally, we have the main attraction, the DOODVR headset itself. Now taking a closer look, the build feels light, weighing only 210 grams. It features 42mm HD lenses, which should offer a crisp and immersive viewing experience. One great feature is the IPD adjustment dial. This lets you align the lenses to match your eye distance for better comfort and clarity. Another cool feature is the touch button located at the bottom of the headset. This allows you to interact with VR apps without needing an external remote, very handy for games and apps that support it. The headset supports smartphones up to 7 inches, both Android and iOS. Comfort-wise, the DOODVR doesn't disappoint. It comes with a soft cushion around the eyes, which makes it super comfortable to wear, even for long VR sessions. It also comes with an adjustable head strap for a snug fit. Just place your phone inside, adjust it securely, and you're good to go. For its price, the DOODVR is packed with features, a clean design, good lens quality, a touch button, and cross-platform support. If you're thinking about jumping into virtual reality, this could be a great starting point. Links in the description, go check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome unboxings and tech content.